Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for the base box for the month of May already. I already opened my premium box. I'm using some of those items, but you could check out my video. But this is something that's going to be coming up on a following video. I couldn't do it on this video. So there's going to be a giveaway, and this is everything that's going to be on the giveaway. There's going to be two different winners. So this is one of the boxes. I just want to give you a heads up how it's coming together. That way you have an idea of what's going to be in there. So on the following video, all that information is going to be provided there. Also, I'm excited because I already finished my vanity. I don't know if you guys remember or saw that video when I mentioned that I was doing my own DIY vanity table. I really liked how glam it came out. I had a drawer where I had all my makeup stuff there. It was a plastic container drawer. It has 3 sets of drawers, but I kind of glammed it up. I'm gonna be doing a video on another channel how I did that. So if you guys are interested, just go ahead and subscribe because that video should be up soon. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Something the CEO did address, and let's just clarify it a little bit. We were not expecting duplicates, and if you had an account like for me, I have 2 different accounts. I have one that I opened in 2017. So let's say I wanted another base box, I couldn't add another subscription to that one. I needed to open a new one. So this box, this one I opened, the subscription I opened last year. So there's an item here that I did get years ago when I opened my account, but that was on my other account. So for me it looks like a duplicate item, but if you separate it by account, then you will know that it's shown as a new item for this account since I opened it last year. And this product was not introduced to Boxycharm and have not been added to a box yet. I just want to clarify that. And sometimes, yeah, at first I was bummed. I was like, why am I getting a duplicate? They already introduced that to Boxycharm, but they just, I guess, want to bring items that other people have not the opportunity to get it because they were not subscribed to Boxycharm yet. So they're able to get that item or that product this year. I did my eye makeup look using one of those products here, but I'm going to talk about that a little bit more and show you the tutorial as I do the unboxing. This is the item that I wanted to mention. This is from Crown. This palette, we were so happy when we got this palette years ago because at that point Boxycharm, at least for me, as far as I remember, the palettes were a lot smaller. They were really small, and this was, I think, for me, that was the impression that I got. It was a bigger palette and it had more shades. It was more complete. We were all impressed with this type of palette, so it does bring me back good memories as I was unboxing this years ago when I got it. This is from Crown Pro, and I really liked this palette for so long. It was my go-to because all the colors were there. There was a lot of neutral colors there. You could create a whole complete look just using one palette. It's a palette you could do every day, so I don't mind getting it again. In fact, I believe I'm just going to go ahead and put it on that giveaway. That's not confirmed yet, so just stay tuned to that video so you can see exactly what is going to be on box A and box B. Item I want to share is Hourglass. This was my choice item. There was 3 choices. It was Elemis, Glam Glow, and Hourglass. I love skincare, but I was blown by the brand, and it was funny because later on I was like, but I barely use highlighters, and I have so many, so I was more drawn to the name. But once seeing all the complete boxes from Elemis, Pads, and Glam Glow, I felt like those boxes would have been better for me. But I'm learning. So here is the product. I don't like it because every time I open it, I feel like it's getting dirty and getting messed up. But I really like the packaging because it looks like a lipstick. I just hope there was more gap. I'm going to show you the swatch, and it doesn't show so much. But it's rose gold flash, and I really like it. I did not get the card, so I cannot tell you exactly what the values are for each. I'm gonna have to search and then add the total value at the end of this video. So that's the second item that I got. The third item was kind of, I wasn't expecting at all. Once I opened my box to see which variation did I get, the scent was so strong that once I picked it and I grabbed it, I was like, what is it? I thought it was the primer. It was the English Laundry number 7, and it was like, it was so strong that it stayed in my hands, and I wasn't happy with a perfume, and it was so strong that throughout the day, once it started fading away or something, it grew up on me. So I'm like, you know what, I like to walk a lot, so I'm just gonna apply this before going to walk, and I think it's gonna be perfect. So it's not so bad. This is English Laundry number 7. The other item that I did get was from Deborah Lipman. I got this, I don't know if it was 2017, 2018, in Boxycharm. I remember when we got those nice bags, a makeup bag. We also got this item, but it was 2 different shades, and it's from the same brand. And I know these came last on the Boxycharm from March. I believe they were the same shades, and I really wanted that one in Boxycharm. I didn't get it, so I am not mad that I got it finally on my base box. The shades are Can't Stop the Feeling, which is the lightest pink, and Fire on the Horizon is the red shade. I think they're so cute, so pretty, and I also like the other 2 shades that I got from Deborah Lipman. If it wasn't because I tried those, I would have been so not happy at all with these, but I really like these. I really like those nail polish. And last, but the other thing that I got, the last thing in my box, is from Beauty Creations. This is called Cali Chic. I love the packaging. I love the theme. I really love this theme. It's so warm, and I feel like it's like saying hello to the summer is already here. At least it feels like it in Florida. I think it always does, but now we feel it even more. And I really like the shades inside. I did my eye makeup look starting with all the warm tones or all the matte shades on the top. I used all 3. I started with Sunset, Beach Babe, and Laguna, but also to create, I feel like it was missing some transition there. I used Marina. And I like how they all blend really nicely. I was a little hesitant when I was doing my eye makeup because I already had my whole face, and since it's a new palette, I don't know if there's gonna be any fallouts because I saw them once I was applying it, and that'd be my brush there. I saw a little fallout here, but at least it didn't go on my face at all. So on that, I really like that. I like the intensity. You could just keep packing it, and you could see it working even more intense, at least the shade. So the pigmentation is pretty good. I really like the shimmers. I use Tan Lines, Boardwalk, those shimmers I use, and just with my fingers, I really like the intensity too. So I think this is a really good palette. I'm gonna be taking this and put it in my car. I always have like 2 or 3 palettes on the go that I could just apply my whole eye makeup look just with one palette, but that's when my husband is driving. So I think this one is gonna be one that I'm gonna take to the car as I apply my eye makeup. So guys, this is everything from Boxycharm for the base box. I have another one coming on the way. That one is from a subscription that I did back in 2017, so hopefully I don't have anything there duplicate. I don't think I should, based on what the CEO was explaining why we're getting all these different items that we have seen in the past. But that's all for all of us that have been with Boxycharm for so long, but those that are new are just receiving it now. That's one of the explanation we got, so that's not so bad there. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week and an exciting long weekend. So thank you again. If you want to see, there's so many spoilers coming. They're coming for the month of June. We already have about 26 items revealed, confirmed. So you could go ahead and check out that video. I already did that video. I'm gonna post it on this section so you could check it out if you don't miss watching spoilers. They're all gonna be for the 3 boxes, for the base, for the premium, and for Boxycharm. So if you want to know what's coming and you're interested in subscribing, then go ahead and check them out so you don't miss out on a lot of great items that are coming for June. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.